Hello, welcome to my channel again. We're making strawberry syrup or coulis, and for that I'm using organic strawberries from California because strawberries, like raisins, they have a lot of pesticides, the regular ones. So it's better to use the organic ones, and the difference in price is not that big. And the first thing we're doing is weighing the strawberries, using about 250 grams, and then we're gonna wash them. We're gonna remove the tops, and we're gonna slice them. Then we add a little bit of lime juice, and we're going to mix them. Then we're gonna get ready for the other stuff. But if you're here, consider subscribing if you haven't done so. A thumbs up is always welcome, and if you value the work that I'm doing and it's useful to you, uh, consider sharing this video and many others from my channel on social media. I have a ton of videos in my playlists that you might find interesting. So we weigh the water and the sugar, and we're going to melt it. Mix until all the sugar is melted, and that's going to be your simple syrup. Then we're going to add the strawberries to that once it's boiling. I want to remind you too that the entire list of ingredients is in the description box below. If you're in your computer, you cannot see it if you're using your cell phone or you're watching it on TV. But on your computer, you can see the exact list of ingredients. So what we want to do is we want to boil them for about 5 minutes. That depends on your stove. I had them on medium, and what we're looking for is the color, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. That's the color we want. That's ready. So now we're going to blend them, and you can use a stick blender or an immersion blender and pass it through a sieve, and that's it. You have your strawberry syrup that goes really well with crepes, pancakes. I am going to use it with some cupcakes instead of using artificial coloring. And the smell, I mean, you have to make it. If you like strawberries, you're going to love it because they smell amazing. And taste it, just to make sure that it has a pretty good taste, that it has enough sugar and acidity. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch my playlists and the other videos. Bye bye.